Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can figure out the time for the rainbow weather for tomorrow in Heartopia. So right now it is sunny, but as you can see at 12 p.m. tomorrow, it's going to rain. So that means the rainbow is going to be at 6 p.m. till 12 a.m. because the times are 12 to 6 and then 6 to 12 and then it's 12 to 6 and then it's 6 to 12. So tomorrow's rainbow will be 6 to 12, so 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. And make sure you fish or catch insects that are in that time frame because it is going to be rainbow. I think I'm going to catch more of the golden king crab and the king crabs hopefully. But yeah, that is how you can tell tomorrow's weather's time. It's to basically look now. Hopefully it's already that time for you guys. But yeah, it's obviously going to be different for different regions, I think. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can tell the weather time in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!